The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Welcome back to our new session. I hope you all are staying safe at home. Nowadays, the pandemic situation getting worse. So, be safe. Okay, students, stay healthy. Don't go outside unnecessarily. Okay, be careful. Clear? So, last class we have completed our 6th chapter. It is about the application software LibreOffice Calc. Is it? We have applied the different functions using the LibreOffice Calc. Is it? So next we are going to study about the another application software to make our presentation attractive. That means you have studied the presentation software LibreOffice Impress in last year, is it? And you have studied how to prepare a slide and how to apply the contents. Is it? The basic idea you have got about the Impress. Is it? It is in the LibreOffice package. Clear? And we have discussed about what is an application software. Okay. So, this chapter we are going to discuss about how we can make our presentation effectively or attractively. Okay. So, let's see how we can make our presentation attractive. Okay. So, the first one is the slide template. So, last year we have applied different colors and designs to our slides. Is it? Slide is a basic content. Here you can see it is in one slide. Is it? And here it is another slide. This is the title and here is the next slide. Like this we have included the working space in an Impress software. Is it? That is known as slide. And we have different arrangements in the slide. It is known as slide layout. We can include the picture. We have a separate slide layout. And if you want to include only title means we have another design. Is it? So now we can include the same design or if you want to get a uniformity of your slides means you can apply a template. Template means it is an inbuilt designs which is available in your Impress or in your presentation software. Okay. Why we are using that inbuilt designs? That is, it gives and single design and a single background color and it gives a unique fonts and unique designs to your presentation. So, it gives a uniformity and you will get a standard presentation. Okay. So, to apply such things, we have an option here, master views. Okay. In the slide menu, you have the properties and in that you have the option master view. So, using that section, you can apply suitable colors means it is available in master view. Okay, you can change the font size and whatever the design you can apply means you can change in that master views. Okay, in slide menu you have the properties option, in that you can select master view. Clear? And in master view you have the properties window and you can change the background color, its font size and style zones. Okay. And next is how you can select a template. So here the Impress contains, you can change the backgrounds. We have already the built-in sections or built-in templates in Impress. Is it? So how we can select that? Here in this side, after selecting the slide, you have the properties window here. If it is not visible means you can go to view menu and in the select property. So, it will be displaying in this right section. Okay, here you have the option master view. This is the master slides. If you want to change means it is available. Or else you have the number of slides. It is available here. You can choose the designs from here. Okay. So you can apply different designs using this templates. Okay. So here you can select the master slide 2 and you can change the content which you have to change. Okay. So next we can say how we can apply the scrolling effect in the text in a presentation. Okay. If you want to move the text in a slide means you can apply. How we can apply? You have the option in format menu, select object and shape, and here you have the option text. In that, select the text and apply text animation. And you have the different direction, that is left to right or right to left, like that. You can apply the scrolling effect. Okay. And here we can arrange the picture. Last year you have included the picture using insert, is it? Last year you have studied about how to include a picture in a slide, is it? Using insert menu you can include an image. While inserting an image, if you have typed any content, it will be any content, the image will be overlapped on that content, is it? So how we can arrange the image and the text in a slide? Using this option, that is right click on the image or click on the picture, you will get the option arrange from the format menu. Or else you have the option in right click, you can select arrange. In that you have the option send to back or send to front, like that you have the option. So your text and image will be arranged in a slide. Okay. So next we can include a video in our slide. Is it? How we can include? Here we have the option audio and video option. Insert audio, video. And by clicking on that symbol you can include a video. Okay. So select the slide which you have to include the video and or audio, and you can choose your video from the file. Okay. And just click insert, or else you can insert video to the audio and video too. Okay. And next is how we can provide interaction. What is the interaction? In a presentation, if you want to connect 2 or 3 slides by some options, how we can interact the slides? In the last slide, I have to go to the first one. So, to provide interaction means we can connect 1 or 2 slides in a presentation itself. Okay, how we can apply? That is, in a slide you are inserting a picture or a text or any other objects. Is it? By clicking that, you can link another slides or any documents. Okay, that is the option interaction. So how we can include, that is applied interaction in format menu, you have the option. Clear? So just select an object, that means it is an image or any shades or like that. Okay. So select that and apply the option interaction. So you will get the another sub options. What is the action? By clicking on mouse or by clicking on any key or like that. Okay. So here you have the different actions to apply in that. So here you have the tool, interaction tool. In format menu you have the option interaction, or else here you have the tool interaction. Okay, by clicking that you will get the options. And here after clicking you can connect your files to open or any slide number. Okay, here you can see that interactions. Go to document, or else you can see the slide number. Clear? Which one you have to select. If it is document means, if you want to, you can select what is the actions here. Or here you can browse the document files. Okay, it is a link. Or else you can select the slide number. Clear? In that the slide will be displayed. Okay, like this you can connect the slides or any document in a presentation. Okay, by clicking you can go to that particular section. So here we have different actions in interaction. The first one is no action, that is you are not applying any content. That is any action. And another one is go to previous slide. So it will go to the last slide. and another one is go to next. It will be forwards to another. And here it is the first, last, like that you can connect your slides in a presentation, or else you can connect to go to document, or else exit presentations. Okay, so these are the contents we are studying in this class. Okay, so let's go for the video. Fine.
So students, let's start our activity. Today we are going to discuss how we can add the master slides in presentation, and how to include the audio and video, and also how to apply the interactions in slides. Okay, so first go to application, and here Office package, it is an application software. Okay, and select LibreOffice Impress. Okay, so after opening you will get an option to select the templates, the different designs of the slides. Is it already it have design? So if you want to choose from here, means here you can select, or else you have the property menu. Okay, I will show you. So if you want to, means you can select here and click open. Okay, so like this you will get a designs. Okay, so this is known as templates. Okay, and here I have already designed a presentation. Okay, this is known as slide pane. These sections is known as slides. Can you see that a uniform designs it is displaying in a slides? Can you see that? Okay, and here you have the properties menu. See here, and after clicking that you will get the different layouts here. Okay, in that you can select its size and design. Okay, if you want the different layout, means you can choose here. This is the templates, the first section. Okay, and next we are going to apply the animation effects in this slide, that is text. So here just select the text which you have to apply the animation. So its property it will be displayed here. If you want to increase the size of the text, means you can select, or if you want to change its designs, means you can choose. Okay, and want to change the color, just select. Okay, so like this you can adjust the contents in this property section. If this property is not present here, means just go to view menu, and here you can select. Okay, so like this you can choose the content and just close it, and we are going to apply the animation effects in this. So just select the text and go to format menu, and here you have the option object and shape. In this select text, and in this you have the option text animation, and just select the effects, scrolling. Okay, or scroll through or blink, like this you have the option. We are selecting scroll. Okay, the direction is left to right or right to left. Here you can up and down, like this you can select. I just select the top. Okay, we'll see how it is applying. Okay, can you see that? Okay, so the next one is, so now we can add audio or video section. So from this toolbar you can select the audio and video, is it, or else go to insert. Here you can have the option media. From this you can select or audio or video. Okay, so here go to select insert audio or video, and from this you can choose the options. If it is available, means you can select from this, or else we have the recorded videos. So here you can select the options. Okay, so just click on open, it will be displaying here. Here you can see that. So during the slideshow it will be displayed. So we'll see how it is. So the video it is playing now, is it? So you can add the content in the slide itself. Okay. If you want to apply the audio means here the same way you can apply. Okay students? Okay. Applying the interaction. By clicking here we have a symbol, is it? By clicking on this it will go to the first slide. So how we can apply the, just select the object, have the option interaction, is it? Click on that and here you will get the window where you have to interact with that, is it? So action at the mouse click. What you want to do, go to the previous slide or first slide, like this you have the option. So I am just selecting the first slide and click OK. Clear? So now we will see what are the effects it is applied here in this presentation. So just go to that slideshow. Okay. So here you have that, go to slideshow menu and here start from the first slide. So it will be displaying in this full screen. So just click on, so the text scrolling effect it is applied here, is it? And the next one is go to first slide. By clicking it want to go to first one, is it? Clear? Is it clear? Yes. So like this you can apply any content. In this image also you can apply the interaction. Okay. So by clicking it is displaying in this first slide. After pressing escape key the slideshow will be empty. Clear? So these are the contents here we have discussed. Okay. So during exam they will ask you to prepare 3 or 4 slides according to the topic. Okay. You have to apply these effects. Clear? Okay. So complete your notes. We will see you in the next class.
I hope you have understood the content. Is it interesting? Is it? So just go through that. These options are available in Microsoft presentation also. So just go through. We'll see you in the next class.